Hey everybody, thank you so much for joining me today. Today I have a fun and quick, easy DIY. I was inspired by my recent FabFitFun box. I received a spring box recently and it had this champagne charcoal salt scrub. And this retails for, I think, $24. And I decided to do some research on it before I used it. And I saw that it had a ton of ingredients with super long names. And I researched some of the items, but then I thought, you know what? This is something I can make at home. I have all of the items and I would just feel a lot more comfortable knowing the items that I'm putting in my own salt scrub. Now I do make a sugar scrub that I absolutely love, but I wanted to try a salt scrub. So here we go. It is super easy. It's only 3 ingredients and the first one is salt. Do not use iodized table salt. That will be too harsh for your skin. I like to use a fine salt because I feel like it is a better exfoliator. So we're gonna start with 1 cup of sea salt. The next item is half a cup of oil, and I've decided to use grapeseed oil. There are a variety of carrier oils you can use. You could use coconut oil, but I am going with grapeseed oil today. So I have half a cup grapeseed oil. I'm gonna mix it in here. I'm mixing it in here with the sea salt. So I'm just mixing together the grapeseed oil and the sea salt. It seems pretty mixed right now. And so the next step is where you can basically make this salt scrub your own. I have chosen to use lavender. My other option I was gonna make today, I was going to actually make a grapefruit salt scrub, but I could not find my grapefruit oil. So I'm gonna go with lavender. This lavender salt scrub is gonna feel so relaxing and peaceful at night when I shower and decide to exfoliate and get all of the goodness from the salt scrub. So I'm gonna put I'm gonna go a wacky number and probably do 8 drops of lavender oil. You could go like as low as 5, as many as 15. It's kind of personal preference. So here we go. And now that we have the essential oil mixed in, we're just gonna stir it one more time really good to make sure we distribute. Ooh, I'm relaxing already just smelling the lavender. It smells so good. And the last thing you're going to need is a container with a lid so you can seal it and keep it airtight. So I just bought these. I believe I got them from Target. I can't remember, but these are the little decorative containers I use. I actually use these for my sugar scrub. So we're gonna fill this up with the salt scrub. And now I will just leave this in my shower and I can feel confident that I know all of the ingredients that I am putting on my body when I use this exfoliating salt scrub, and with the lavender scent, it's gonna feel so relaxing. So this is my simple, easy salt scrub. I cannot wait to use this tonight and relax. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And as always, have a wonderful week.